Wet day or not, we're getting at it. Welcome guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the garage. I hope you all are doing good. I hope everybody's staying safe and staying warm. Today we're going to be talking about the easiest upgrade you can ever do on your Rover, and I think it's worth it. So guys, go ahead and buckle up, let's go. Alright, so the kit comes in a box like this. In the box you have this prying tool, you have the cover, the black looking cover, you have the key that you use to unscrew the existing knob, and then you have the knob himself. Okay, pretty easy, pretty self-explanatory, and then you should have some tape on the back of that cover. I'm doing it with the lever down, so you find a spot and you try to pick it. Okay, there might be some resistance, there might not, but you can feel a little bit of the stickiness there. You can see your screw and it works just fine with it. Okay, we should be able to just pry this deal out, and then there you go, and then you pry it out. Difference, you can see this one has some grooves here on the side, this one doesn't, but it should be fine. For the record, you do need the back cover that comes with that, because this one is flat and you can see the top of the knob there is flat, versus this one having grooves that would match this cover right here. So I'm gonna peel this off, lay it on there, and then we'll give it a shot. There we go, rise and shine. Alright, so we'll test it. Foot on brakes, reverse works. Perfect. Neutral, drive, go down, sport, works. Now one thing I noticed is, I don't know if you heard it, that sound here. Whenever you have to go down to go in sport, makes it sound cheap. So that's my only downside to that. But again, if you don't go in sport mode often, or you know, it don't matter. But all in all, it works. It looks better, has a good feel with the grip. I like this better than the rubber, and you know, the little reflection here on the black looks really good, matches with the piano black, looks good. So that was the easy install, the easiest we've done on the Rover. It looks good, it has a good feel. I would say it's worth it because for the most part, that's the knob that you touch every time you get in the vehicle, so it makes it worth it. So I'll recommend everybody going for it. It's pretty cheap. It takes less than 5 minutes to complete. I look at it right now, I like it. You should like it. Thumbs up. I'll see you guys in the next one. Everybody be safe out there. Thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. See you guys in the next one. Peace.